back to my channel. Today I am doing curried chicken and white rice. Since I didn't get the chance to defrost the chicken from earlier, I'm going to defrost in the microwave. So while that's defrosting, I'm going to get started on the rice. I'm doing 1 3/4 cups of jasmine rice. I don't like parboiled rice, so I'm using jasmine rice. I'm setting the microwave to 7 minutes and 30 seconds so that the chicken can continue to defrost. So I fill the pot with water. Now I'm going to wash the rice, drain off that water, and then add 2 1/4 cups of water to cook the rice. And of course, now we're adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Shameless plug, these nails are from Rich Royalty Couture. You can check out our website, link is in the bio. Now I have a bowl of water and I'm gonna add a bit of vinegar to that water, and then I have my chicken. Basically what I'm going to be doing now is just going through the parcel of chicken and removing the excess fat from the deboned thighs and then cutting the thighs in half. I'm using a fork to hold the chicken because the chicken was still hot from the microwave. So, yeah. I'm finally done. So now I'm putting the chicken fat and everything in a bag and tying it before I dispose of it. So I'm going to drain off this water and fill it with fresh water. As you can see, I'm adding a bit of lemon juice, and then I'm going to wash the meat again and then drain. Okay, time to season. So we're going in with my favorite chicken seasoning, Montreal chicken seasoning. Yeah, there it is. I have a really heavy hand when it comes down to seasoning. I like my food well seasoned. So we added the chicken seasoning, and then I'm gonna add a bit of black pepper as well, because it's curry chicken and it's supposed to be spicy, for me at least. And then adding another type of spice, cayenne pepper. Love cayenne pepper. Yeah. You guys can't see the name of the curry powder that I'm using, but it's Better Pack curry powder, and it's top tier. Okay, top tier. This is how the rice looks now. I added some chiffon butter. I know some people say you mustn't stir rice, this, that. What is your part? You can stir the rice if you want to. Nothing I do with the rice. Now it's time to cook down the chicken. I'm using hot water because my mother always told me to use hot water to cook down the chicken so that it doesn't detract from the cooking time. And it makes sense. The food already hot. Why use room temperature or cold water when you can use hot water? And get the ball rolling. And this is the finished product, guys. Oh my gosh, it looks so amazing and it tastes good too. Period. This picture is just, for the thumbnail. This is how my plate actually looks. I added more. This week on our subscriber cam, a lovely subscriber sent a video trying the jerked shrimp pasta recipe that I posted last week, and oh my gosh, guys, it looks so nice. If you guys do try the recipes, tutorial, you guys can send me photos on social media or videos, and I'll include them at the end of each video. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.